Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to turn on magnification in Android mobile phone. Let's get started. First go to setting, scroll down and search for accessibility, click on it and search for magnification, click on it, turn it on, and you can see in the description it has mentioned how it can work. Let's go back. When I click 3 times on my screen, it will get zoom. Now I can move all the way by using 2 fingers, or I can use more than. And again when I click 3 times, it will come back to the normal screen. It is how it works, and I will show you how to do the same thing in MI mobile. Go to setting, scroll down, additional setting, then click on accessibility, scroll down, and here you can see magnification. Here are 2 different ways. I'll show you both. First, magnify with triple tap is the same as Nokia. When I start, I go back, and when I click on a screen for 3 times, it will get zoom. Again when I click for 3 times, it become normal. The same way I turn it off. The second option is better, magnify with the button. When I turn it, you can see here the small icon. When I click on this icon, you can see I can zoom out and zoom in the screen. To zoom out, again I have to tap in the same button. Thank you for watching.